Employee Talks.
What I'd like to show you today is how easy it is to create a bespoke dashboard in Luware Nimbus. All you need to do is go into the dashboards and then start selecting your KPI tiles. Here I'm going to select a couple of KPI widgets to report on a couple of different regional call queues. So as you can see, we select from a long list of KPIs. These are both live and historical. Here I've just selected total calls. We can also set a threshold to trigger audible and visual alerts when certain KPIs and SLAs are exceeded. For example, here I have set the UK KPI tile to turn green when the total calls exceeds 30. Here I am creating a similar KPI tile for both the Swiss and German contact centres. Once I choose the KPI, I can choose the time period and then add the service as the filter. To create the total calls widget, I select multiple services in the filter, which will automatically combine the total calls across the three queues. Once I've got those KPI tiles configured, I can easily resize them and move them into the positions that I like. Next, what I'm going to do is select a service KPI chart. This will allow me to compare the services. So here what I'm doing is displaying the acceptance SLA and the inbound reachability SLA for both the UK, German and Swiss contact centres. As you can see, they're now configured into a nice graph. By configuring a user state table, it allows us to view the presence, availability and contact centre state of those agents in real time. We can easily see their team's presence as well as their contact centre presence. The final widget I'm going to configure is a service supervision widget. This will allow me to listen, whisper and barge into real-time calls. As before, all I need to do is select the fields I want to display and the services that I want to listen into. Once there is a live call in the service, I can see that call in real time and then select to whisper to the agent. As soon as I do this, I will receive a Teams call as the supervisor and then be entered into the conference. Of course, the external caller cannot hear me at this point, but I can whisper instructions to the agent. Finally, any of these custom dashboards can easily be displayed on a URL or via a wallboard. All you have to do is copy the URL link and then paste it into your browser.